Sometimes you just gotta go for an icy walk. An icy walk.
To go on the icy walk.
And somewhere like Diana's bath.
You mean Diana's bucket bath?
Diana's bucket bath.
I like to call it Diana's bucket bath now.
It's getting really cold. All right.
I hope that's not deep now here. I hope that's not deep now.
Well, we're about to find out. We are. Are you sure you want to go for this walk? It's gonna be cold.
I think I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay. One over here. Let's see if we can make it down to the waterfall.
Yeah.
Really not a bad day for a hike. The trail is okie dokie, but it's cold still. And it's always gonna be cold. Whoa. How did those get there? There sure is a couple of them. Look at this one, looks angry. No, I think people did that. But that's funny, huh? They are. I kinda do. I kinda hear some water. Let's see if we can find it. Run, run.
What's that waterfall?
Yeah, there's still water there. It's just frozen and you can't see it under the snow. Be careful on this little bridge.
But if water touches snow, no melt.
Look it. You see right down there? Woo! Almost fell off the bridge.
You don't want to.
You see it?
Yeah.
Underneath the ice, there's still running water.
I bought two with me, and I bought two when I was so cold. So I moved it on really tight to what on this bridge.
All right.
Yeah, we don't want it to fall through.
Let's listen to the water for a second. Here we are again. Diana's bath clearing. Water safety. Just don't go in the water. It's freezing. What does this say? Diana's bath.
Yeah, made it.
Water Fairy Springs. All right, let's stay on the trail. Whew. There's moving water down here.
I'm going to only walk on banana.
Yeah, try to go carefully down here because it could be slippery. Whoa. It's all icy.
But I want to try to ice skate.
No, this is not the time or the place. You see that water down there?
Yeah. Time. Oh, yeah.
You stay right there, okay? This is all frozen, all ice. Either follow exactly where I'm going or stay where you're at, okay? Look at this. You're looking at a frozen waterfall.
Wow, yeah, the frozen water.
I think this is the one we were swimming in the summer.
Okay, let me see what's inside. Okay, so you want those feet,
Can you see the water moving underneath the ice?
Kinda.
Yeah, that water's definitely frozen, but there's water underneath it that's still moving. Don't.
How lovely are rocks?
It's the ice that's slippery.
Oh, so you're not gonna walk anywhere else?
No. That's all ice. Do you see that?
Yeah.
It's so frozen. Are you frozen?
Yeah.
So, if we go over this way, this is where we were swimming in the summer. Right over here.
And who did you do, Baba?
All right, come hold my hand. See? This is where we were swimming in the summer. Look it. Be careful. See, that's all water down there. And this was the waterfall. Now,
How do we get to the other side?
follow me this way.
We got to the other side.
We did.
Yeah.
Listen, hold my hand because this is still all ice. See how I pulled you up really quick? If you fall, you got a better chance of surviving if I had your hand.
Wow. I got to walk there.
Whoa,
Wow.
check it out.
So this is also a waterfall?
Yeah, yeah, this was the waterfall.
So will we actually swim in here in Fatima?
Yeah, we swam in here in the summer. See, look, come over here.
Look.
This was the exact spot where I took a bunch of pictures in the summer. Let me check to make sure it's steady. Touch the waterfall. Touch the waterfall real quick so we can leave. Whoa.
It's so hot.
It is. All right. See, that spot right there is about to give out. You can hear it crunching when we step on it. Can you?
Yeah.
The last place that you want to be is in that water right now. Look at how majestic that looks.
Yeah, it looks so majestic. Kind of couple. Want to go ice skating?
Kinda.
Yeah, perfectly perfect. Probably perfect spot to go ice skating, but not the perfect spot. Looks like a
Look
good
at that.
Looks like a good spot to go ice skating, but not a good spot.
No way. But isn't that cool?
What's the face?
Yeah, there sure is.